In this video, I will show you how to change your height in Roblox. Many players want their avatars to be taller or shorter. First things. First, grab your mobile device and open up the Roblox app. Once you're in, tap on your name at the top of the screen. Scroll down a little bit until you see a section labeled "Currently Wearing." This section shows all the items that are currently equipped on your avatar. Next, let's choose an item that you're currently wearing. After selecting it, tap on the green button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Customize on the customization page, swipe left through the various options until you find one labeled Build. Tap on Build to access different body types available in Roblox. Here, players can modify their avatars based on personal preference, and there, you have it. Changing your height and customizing your avatar in Roblox is simple and straightforward. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, see you.